So here we are. We got a visit yesterday, didn't we? From Dave and Jamie from One Key Caravan.
Yep.
And about a week ago, gave them a ring and we ordered some locks for our hatches and also for our door for our caravan. We probably got it for the wrong reasons. We just got sick of using different keys for every hatch or latch and door.
So many of them.
Yeah, I think we're going to lose 3 or get rid of 3 and just replace them with 1. But as they were saying, and as we've actually found out, those A12 locks that are on our hatch there, they're pretty common. And we're also talking to a guy yesterday. He owned a van and he'd locked himself out, and the woman next door owned the same van. She came over and opened the door for him. So that's how common they are. With the One Key system, there's 2,000 combinations, I think. So it takes away that commonality and gives you half a chance. But for us, yeah, there's that to it. We obviously want security, but we want One Key.
Yeah,
what a great name.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was lovely to meet those guys, and thanks very much for bringing it around. Really appreciate it. Yeah.
Now all you got to do is fit them.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll just have a look. Here's the box, and I think should be pretty simple from what I've seen of the videos. The hardest part is opening the box. Oh, here we go. I will stick that on somewhere. Yeah, so these are a local business and Australian, so I'm really happy to support Australian made. And it's a great idea. And when they get smaller locks for my MaxTrax, smaller padlocks, I'll buy them from them too. And I didn't realise they did a DO45 lock, so I'll have to investigate that more as well. What you get in here is 6 keys, I believe. Yep, 6 keys. Oh, that's for the Aussie Traveller door, so that's to replace that pin. And then here's my 2 padlocks. Wow, look at those. They're a bit titanium, a bit bigger than the ones I've got. Yeah, and that's all 1 key. Yep, that's right. And so there should be 7 all up. Yeah, to replace 2, 4, 6, 7. So 4 of these, so 2 each side of the tunnel boot, 2 for the fridge vents, and that one up there for the compressor, the door, the Aussie Traveller. And we're also just going to padlock these here just on the 1 key. Brilliant. Yeah, anyway, I'll have a go at fitting them. So just having a look at the 2 different locks here, there are some differences. This has a little beveled hand grip or thumb grip there. These ones don't. They look actually quite good quality, these ones. And you do have to reverse this. It's only set that way for packaging for the tongue. So we'll just take that off in a minute, swing this around and reverse it to suit, so that it yeah, you can see this is a raised edge, that one's depressed, so we just turn it around and it'll work a lot better. But it looks like we just undo that, take that pin off, drop this out. This comes totally as its own unit, so then we can either discard those or whatever I decide to do with them. And yeah, that's about it. It's all looking too easy. I like easy.
Don't say that.
Why? Oh dear, I shouldn't have said too easy. Yeah, too easy? Never know. So that's the old unit out from just here. taken that one out. I'll just release that screw, undo this, turn it around, slot it in. I'll do the same with the other side, and then on these you've got an inner nut here just to use to adjust this tongue here and to make it fit snug. So we'll put this one in, get the other one out, and put them both in and see how we go with it. Okay, so this is a 12mm nut. You just take this one off. Excuse the guy mowing in the background there. Take that one off, and we spin this around and we flip it over. So we turn it up and over like that, and then we'll just leave this in the same spot that Dave set it at the factory there, that one there. We'll just see how close it is. We'll take this one off. Put him in here. Yeah, it's a little bit different in design, but it'll do exactly the same function. Too close or not? Okay, so that's that one set. I might just have a quick look at it. Ooh, perfect. Where's the keys? Just there. Now we should be able to do this. Bonus, you know. Can't do it with this one. Won't work. So anyway, that's one in, and it seems quite good as that was set at the factory. Yeah, we'll just see how that goes. We'll change out the others, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. How simple.